Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in to another episode of U Jersey. In today's episode, my friend Ray and I will be exploring an area of the Pinelands neither of us have been to before with the hopes of finding an abandoned factory. With limited information on the factory's exact location outside of the general area, we took to the trails nearby and started our search. We started our day on the Old Cape Trail and were followed by an eastern-tailed blue butterfly. We took that as a good omen. While we enjoyed the trail, we didn't see any evidence of the factory. I did, however, surprise myself by correctly identifying some trees. White oak. This is a cool area which you don't get a lot in the Pine Barrens. I'm not 100% sure, so I'm going to use my app. I should know this. But let's see what kind of tree this is. White oak. I said oak. I did know. Skip. Just got done with Old Cape Trail. I thought it was pretty cool. What'd you think?
I thought it was really cool.
We thought it was pretty cool, really cool. Pretty cool. We're gonna check out this other trail, see if we can find an old abandoned factory. Made it to the Tar Bog Trail. Looks pretty nice. That's why they call it the Tar Bog Trail. Beautiful. A bridge in the distance. I like this. I like it a lot. Heck yeah, Evan. After several miles on the trail, we headed back towards the road and found the ruins of an old building. We thought that this might be all that was left of the old factory. Walking back to the truck. We thought about calling it a day, but we decided to go just a little bit further. Finally found it. Thanks for watching today's episode, and special thanks to Ray for joining me today and helping me film. Make sure you follow him on Instagram and YouTube for his excellent photography and videos. If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to like and subscribe. We're trying to reach our next goal of 500 subscribers and would love it if you hit that bell so you could follow us on our upcoming adventures. You can also follow us on Instagram at view_Jersey. Thanks again.